Hey guys, here's something for you. Do you know that you could actually learn a new skill that would help you actually create passive income? And the cool part about that skill is that same exact skill is allowing people to create 5 and 6 figure incomes. And I'm sure you think, hey, that would be pretty cool, right? But then what happens? Yeah. You know how that voice, nobody likes to say it, but you know that voice that's in your head? We all have them. And that voice loves to stop in when you're thinking about doing something better for you. It loves to step in there and tell you, you can't do it. You know you can't do that. You've tried other things before. You just don't have that personality or whatever reasons that it gives you. And that voice is sometimes called procrastination. Yeah, because you start to listen to it. And then you think, oh no, hey, I think I might. No, you can't do it. Come on, wake up. Guys, tell that voice, just let it go. You don't need to listen to it. You got other things on your mind. Let it go. Do not listen. Now, I know it's hard to say because it'll get louder and louder. But if you let it go and continue to let it go, and I use this thing just for me that says, I can and I will. Just that. That's all I say when it says you can't do it. I say I can and I will. So, there you go, guys. Do me a favor. Share this. Some other people maybe can see it and it'll help them. And do a follow. And if you're interested, in my bio, there's a link there that you can get a free book that's called The Science of Getting Rich. Very good book. It's about 88 pages, and it will, if you follow it, change your life. The other link is something that I'm doing if you'd like to see what I'm into. Later, guys. Bye.